Hey, welcome to How's the Channel. In today's video, we will show you how to turn on local passcode in Telegram on PC. On Windows, you can add an alphanumeric passcode for securing your Telegram messages. Here's how to go about it. Open Telegram desktop app. Click on the burger menu at the top left corner of the window. Choose Settings from the list. The new window will open. Go to Privacy and Security. Go to Local Passcode option. Click on Turn on Local Passcode. Enter a password in the pop-up window. Re-enter the password. Click on Save. Under the Local Passcode section, select the time duration for the new option for Auto Lock to let the app auto-lock Telegram if you're away for 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 5 hours. Once done, press Escape key to exit settings. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!